My name is Jamie Wilkinson. I've been with Dr. Factor for several years now. We're a team and we're dedicated to compassionate dental care. When you come in, you're greeted by Teresa and Alyssa and TC. Very friendly and very understanding. They answer any questions you have before even coming back to see the doctor. And when I come and bring the patient into the room, I get to know them a little bit. I ask them why they're here, what their experiences are, if they have any concerns, questions, even before the doctor comes in. I try to explain as much as I can and get to know who they are as a person. A lot of the patients that come in here are very nervous, they're worried about pain, and that is one of our big concerns too. We like to make sure everybody's comfortable and has the best experience that can be had at a dental office. When a patient is checked in, we go over all the paperwork and their history and let them ask any questions that they may have. I create a connection with the patients. I'm with them through the treatment plan process, the first exam, the surgery, even the post-ops after the surgery. I call all the patients the day after surgery to ask them how they're doing and to answer any questions they might have to make the process easier.